Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a freeze frame on a CapCut PC. So if you want to freeze a certain scene or part of your clips, you just need to use the freeze frame feature on a CapCut PC. So here you just need to click on the clip. Okay, and then go to where you want to freeze. For example, I want to freeze in here. Then after that, you'll see at the top there is lots of buttons that you can choose. But if you want to freeze, just click on this one. This is for the freeze frame option. So click on that. And then a freeze frame will be created like this. You can also shorten it to your likings. For example, I want to just make it 2 seconds. And you can also add filter to this freeze frame by clicking on the freeze frame and go to filter. For example, you want to emphasize this freeze frame. I'm going to just go to mono and use the black and white. I think this one, the BW3. Okay, then your freeze frame will look like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!